Instrumentation is a critical aspect of DevOps that involves monitoring and logging the performance and behavior of applications and infrastructure. It helps teams detect issues, understand system behavior, and improve performance. In the context of GitHub Actions and Azure pipelines, instrumentation ensures that CI/CD processes run smoothly and any issues are promptly addressed. This presentation will delve into configuring alerts for events in GitHub Actions and Azure pipelines, a key component of an effective instrumentation strategy. Alerts play a vital role in continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, by providing real-time notifications about the state of the pipeline. They help teams quickly identify and resolve issues, ensuring that the development process is not hindered. Alerts can be configured for various events such as build failures, deployment issues, or security vulnerabilities. By setting up alerts, teams can maintain high code quality and ensure that the software delivery process is efficient and reliable. GitHub Actions is a powerful automation tool that allows developers to create custom workflows for their projects. It integrates seamlessly with GitHub repositories, enabling automated testing, building, and deployment of code. GitHub Actions supports a wide range of events that can trigger workflows, such as push events, pull requests, and issue comments. Understanding how to configure alerts for these events is crucial for maintaining a robust CI/CD pipeline. Azure Pipelines is a cloud service that provides build and release services for applications. It supports multiple languages and platforms, making it a versatile tool for CI/CD. Azure Pipelines integrates with various development tools and services, including GitHub, to automate the build, test, and deployment processes. Configuring alerts in Azure Pipelines helps teams stay informed about the status of their pipelines and quickly address any issues that arise. To set up alerts in GitHub Actions, you need to define workflows in YAML files within your repository. These workflows can include steps to send notifications when certain events occur. For example, you can use the action/checkout action to check out your code, followed by a step to run tests. If the tests fail, you can configure an alert to notify the team via email or a messaging platform like Slack. This ensures that any issues are promptly addressed. GitHub provides built-in notification settings that allow you to receive alerts for various events. You can customize these settings to receive notifications for specific repositories, teams, or organizations. Additionally, you can use third-party integrations, such as Slack or Microsoft Teams, to receive real-time alerts. By configuring notifications, you ensure that your team stays informed about the status of your workflows and can quickly respond to any issues. GitHub Actions allows you to create custom alerts using workflow files. For instance, you can set up a workflow that triggers on a push event, runs tests, and sends a notification if the tests fail. You can use the Actions GitHub script action to write custom scripts that send alerts based on specific conditions. This flexibility allows you to tailor alerts to your team's needs and ensure that critical issues are promptly addressed. Azure Pipelines provides robust alerting capabilities that help teams stay informed about the status of their pipelines. To set up alerts, you can use the Azure DevOps portal to configure notifications for various events, such as build failures, release issues, or code coverage drops. You can also use Azure Monitor to create custom alerts based on specific metrics or log data. This ensures that your team is always aware of the state of your CI/CD processes. Azure DevOps offers a comprehensive notification system that allows you to receive alerts for various events. You can customize notification settings for individual users, teams, or entire organizations. Additionally, you can integrate with third-party services like Slack or Microsoft Teams to receive real-time alerts. By configuring notifications in Azure DevOps, you ensure that your team stays informed about the status of your pipelines and can quickly respond to any issues. Azure Monitor is a powerful tool that allows you to create custom alerts based on metrics and log data. You can use Azure Monitor to track the performance of your pipelines and set up alerts for specific conditions, such as high CPU usage or failed deployments. By leveraging Azure Monitor, you can create a comprehensive alerting strategy that ensures your team is always aware of the state of your CI/CD processes and can quickly address any issues. When configuring alerts for GitHub Actions and Azure pipelines, it's important to follow best practices to ensure that alerts are effective and actionable. Some best practices include setting up alerts for critical events, customizing alert thresholds to avoid alert fatigue, and using multiple notification channels to ensure that alerts are received promptly. Additionally, it's important to regularly review and update your alert configurations to ensure that they remain relevant and effective. Integrating alerts with incident management tools, such as PagerDuty or OpsGenie, can help streamline the response process. By automatically creating incidents based on alerts, you can ensure that issues are promptly addressed and resolved. This integration allows your team to manage incidents more effectively and maintain the reliability of your CI/CD processes. Additionally, it provides a centralized platform for tracking and resolving issues, improving overall efficiency. Monitoring the effectiveness of your alerts is crucial for maintaining a robust CI/CD pipeline. Regularly review alert metrics such as response times and resolution rates to identify areas for improvement. Use feedback from your team to refine alert configurations and ensure that they are providing valuable information. By continuously monitoring and improving your alerting strategy, you can ensure that your team is always aware of the state of your pipelines and can quickly address any issues. Configuring alerts for events in GitHub Actions and Azure pipelines is a critical component of an effective instrumentation strategy. By setting up alerts, you can ensure that your team stays informed about the status of your CI/CD processes and can quickly address any issues. Follow best practices for alert configuration, integrate with incident management tools, and continuously monitor and improve your alerting strategy. By doing so, you can maintain a reliable and efficient software delivery process.